Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
So hello everyone, now this is the third part from the exercise 11.1 and in this video I am going to start from sum number 17. For the previous part please check the description box, the link will be there. So here in sum number 17, find the area of the quadrilateral, the coordinate of the vertices. Suppose this one is a quadrilateral. Okay, and here the vertices, that is A, that is 2 1. Next one here B, suppose this one B, it's 6 0. Then next one here C at 5 minus 2, and next one here minus 3 1, that is D. Okay, now here if you join this portion, that means BD, then the first one will be a triangle and second one also a triangle. Remember that. Okay, so in that case, if you want to find out the area of the whole quadrilateral, so you have to find out the area of these two triangle and then join it. So here the area of the triangle ABD, that one equal to, just write down half, and then first one will be x1, so 2, and then here y2. Y2 means 0. Okay, 0 minus minus 1, so it will be here only 1. Then next one here x2 is 6, and then y3 is minus 1, then minus again minus 1. Okay, because y1 is 1. And next x3 is minus 3, and here y1 as 1 minus y2 as 0. So that one equal to 2, then 2, then here minus 12, and here minus 3. So it will be here half, and then here 2 minus 15, that means here 13. Okay, so 13 by 2, as here mod, so it will be always in positive. Now next for BCD, here BCD here, then half, then here x1 means 6, and y2 means minus 2. Okay, minus 2 minus 1, so minus 2 it will be plus 1. Then next here x2 is 5, and now here y3 means minus 1, then here y1 is 0, and now next one here minus 3, and as here y1 is 0, so it will be here plus 2. Then it's half, and that one is minus 6 minus 5 and minus 6, so that is equal to minus 17, that means 17 by 2. Now the whole area will be 13 by 2 plus 17 by 2, that equal to here 30 by 2, that means 15 square units. Okay, that is your answer. Now sum number 18. In sum number 18, the coordinates of A, B, C and are given. Okay, P is any point, that is xy, so that the ratio of the area of the triangle PBC and ABC. Okay, area of the triangle. So triangle PBC by area of the triangle ABC, that one equal to this one. You have to prove that one. So first you have to find out the area of the triangle ABC. Okay, so in that case here half, then here x1 means here 6, then y2 means 5, and then y3 plus 2. Then next here minus 3, then here y3 means minus 2, then y1 minus 3, and next here 4, then here y1 3 minus 5. Okay, so that one equal to half, then here 5 to 7, so 42, here minus 5, so it will be minus plus 15, and next here minus 2, so 4 into minus 2, it's minus 8. Okay, so that means now you have here 42 plus 15 and then minus 8, that equal to 49. So that equal to, you can write down 49 by 2 as the area. Now next, area of triangle PBC. So in that case PBC. Okay, so here half, then here x1 will be x, and in bracket you have y2 minus y3, that means 5 plus 2. Now next here x2. Okay, x2 here minus 3, and then y3 means here minus 2, so minus 1, that means y. Okay, now here x3 is 4, and this y1 means here y minus y2 means here 5. So here half, and here 7x, then that one will be minus 6, sorry, plus 6, then 3y, then 4y minus 20. So that one equal to half. Then here 7x plus 7y minus 14. Then if 7 will be common, it becomes 7 by 2. And here you have x plus y minus 2. Clear? Now the ratio will be, so first if write down this one, triangle PBC, so 7 by 2, and here x plus y minus 2, then divided by here 49 by 2. 2 cancel out, 7 cancel out with this one, it becomes 7. So here the ratio will be here x plus y minus 2 by 7, because this one is in mod, so you can write down here mod here. So your final answer will be in mod. So that is your answer. That means it proved. Now next, sum number 19. Here A, B are 2 points, that is 3, 4 and 5 minus 2. Find the point P such that mod PA equal to mod PB, and also the area of triangle PAB that equal to 10. So first let here the coordinate of P is xy. Okay. Then here the area of triangle PAB, that is half mod. Then here x. Now next one y2 minus y3. So as here y2 4 and y3 here 2. Then next one here x2 will be here 3, and then here minus 2, then y1 as minus y, and then x3 as 5, then here y1 as y minus y2 is 4. Okay, so that one will be half, then here 6x, then here minus 6 minus 3y plus 5y minus 20. So that one equal to half, then here 6x plus 2y minus 26. Okay, now if you divide it by 2, it will be 3x plus y minus 13. Okay, and that one equal to definitely 10. So you can write down here 3x plus y minus 13, that one equal to 10. So 3x plus y, that equal to 23. Now next you have to find out PA. So mod of PA, that means here root over. Now P means x, so here x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Next here PB equal to root over, here x minus 5 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square. Now as here mod PA equal to mod PB, so you can write down directly as x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square, that one definitely equal to x minus 5 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square. Okay, now the x square and the y square part will be cancelled out from the both side, so you can write down directly here minus 6x plus 9, here minus 8y plus 16, here minus 10x plus 25, and here 4y plus 4. X square and y square part will be cancelled out from the both side. So here minus 6x, here minus 10x, so it will be here 4x. Minus 8y, again minus 4y, then minus 12y. Now here 16 plus 9, it's 25, so 25 will be cancelled out, and that equal to 4. So here x minus 3y, that equal to 1. Okay, x minus 3y, that equal to 1. So from that x equal to 1 plus 3y. So as here x equal to 1 plus 3y, then 3 into 1 plus 3y plus y, that equal to 23. So here 3 plus 9y plus y, that equal to 23. So 10y equal to 20, and then y equal to 2. That means here x equal to 1 plus it's 7. Okay, x equal to 7 and y equal to 2. So your coordinate of P, that is 7 comma 2. Okay, 7 comma 2, that is your answer. Now next, sum number 20. Find the equation of the locus of all point equidistant from the point 2, 4 and y axis. Okay, so first let xy, okay, first let xy be the unknown point, and its distance from the y-axis, that is mod x. Okay, its distance from 2 4 is given by, so here the distance will be, you can write down as x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square under root. Clear? Now if you, here is the distance is mod x, so you can write down this one as equal to mod x. Okay, now squaring both sides, so here x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square, that one equal to x square. Now in the next line, here x square minus here 4x plus 4, then y square minus 8y plus 16, that equal to x square. So x square cancel out, here y square minus 8y, then minus 4x plus 20, that one equal to 0. So this is the locus of all the given points. Now sum number 21. Find the locus of a point whose distance from origin is to its distance from minus 2 minus 3, okay, is 5 is to 7. So you have to find out the locus. So first let here the point is P and that is xy. So this one point A, suppose A point, and origin means you know that 0 comma 0, that is O. So here first you have to find out the distance of PA and also PO. So in that case here PO will be root over x square plus y square, and here PA that equal to root over x plus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square. Now as here the ratio is 5 is to 7, so that means if you divide it, first one will be the origin, so write down here x square y square divided by this one x plus 2 whole square, then y plus 3 whole square. Now that one will be here 5 by 7. So as here if you square both sides, okay, after squaring both sides, then it will be here this one and that one will be here 25, and here 7 means 49. Okay, 25 and 49. I hope it's clear. Now next one here 49 into x square plus y square, and that one equal to 25 into here x square plus 4x plus 4, then y square plus 6y plus 9. So here 49 x square, and that one will be here minus 25 x square from the right hand side, again 49 y square and minus 25 y square from the right hand side. So now here 25 into 4, that is 100x, and then here 25, okay, 25 into 6, that one equal to 150y, and next one here 9 plus 4, that equal to 13, so 13 into 25, it's 325. Okay, so now here 49 minus 25, that is 24. So here 24 common, it becomes x square plus y square, then here minus 100x minus 150y, and next one here minus 325, that equal to 0. So this is your answer. Next, sum number 22. In sum number 22, find the equation to the locus of the point P if the sum of square of its distance from the point 1, 2 and the point 3, 4, that is 25 units. Suppose here P be the point, it's xy, A another one and B is another one. Now the distance, square, okay, the sum of the square of the distance. So here first you have to find out PA. So here PA, now if you find out the square of the distance, so it will be here x minus 1 whole square and then y minus 2 whole square. And next if you find out the square of the distance of PB, that will be x minus 3 whole square and then here y minus 4 whole square. Okay, now the addition, so x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square, that equal to 25. Okay, that one equal to 25. Now here x square minus 2x plus 1, then y square minus 4y plus 4, x square minus 6x plus 9, and here y square minus 8y, okay, plus 16, that equal to 25. So 9 plus 16, it becomes 25. So 25 25 cancel out. Here 2x square, so if 2 will be common, it 2 into x square plus y square. Now as here minus 2x, here minus 6x, so it will be minus 8x, then minus 4y, minus 8y, it's minus 12y, and next one here 4 and plus 1, it will be here 5, that one equal to 0. So this will be your answer. Now sum number 23, 2 points A and B. Here A is 1, 1, and here B is minus 2, 3 respectively are given. Find the locus of the point. Suppose P point is XY at the area where the area of triangle PAB, that is 9 units. So you can here apply the area of the triangle formula and you can easily find out the locus. It's very easy. So now let's move on to sum number 24, and that is the last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here sum number 24, the coordinates of the point P, that is here minus 3, 5. The coordinate of the point Q, that is here 4, minus 2, and R, that one P, 3P, and next S, that is 6, 3 respectively. If the areas of the triangle PQR and the triangle QRS are in the ratio 2:3, then find the value of P. So first you have to find out the area of PQR. That is very easy. So first half, then here minus 3, then minus 2 minus 3P. Next one here 4, then here 3P minus 5. I know you know the formula. So that is here P and then here 5 plus 2. Okay. So after calculation, you will get here 7 and that one will be 2P minus 1 in mod. Now next one, area of triangle QRS, that one equal to half, then here 4, then 3P minus 3. Then next here P and here 3 plus 2. And the last one here 6, it's minus 2 minus 3P. And here the value will be half, then here minus P minus 24 in mod. Now according to the problem, the ratio of these two one will be 2:3. So 7 mod 2P minus 1 divided by half mod minus P minus 24, that equal to 2/3. So here it will be 14, and within mod you can write down 2P minus 1, here minus P minus 24, that equal to 2/3. Okay, so that imply here it will be within mod 2P minus 1 minus P minus 24, that one equal to, as here 2/3, so 2/3 into 1/14, that equal to 1/21. So that imply you can write down as here mod. So first one you write down 2P minus 1 minus P minus 24, that equal to 1/21, or you can write down 2P minus 1 minus P minus 24, that equal to minus 1/21. Okay, as there is mod, so there will be two answer. So from the first answer you will get here, if you cross multiply, then you will get here P equal to minus 3/43, and from the next part after cross multiply, here you will get P equal to 45/41 as your answer.